Oh my God. All right, welcome to Savage Tech Australia. We're here on Bribie Island. We're at the GWM Tank Club Queensland, and we have all the tanks, and GWM is I think half of Brisbane. But anyway, have a look, we'll show you around. We just come here for a group. If you want to get on board the next one, join up on the pages and come and join us at these events. And look at this, beautiful ocean. Right, Mitch, so we're here. We're at Bribie. What are you cooking us?
We've got a sausage sizzle today, buddy.
Sausages on tap. How many sausages we got?
124.
124 sausages. What are they worth each sausage?
So we're just rolling with $3 a sausage.
$3
with
a sausage with onion.
If you're 50 cents for extra bacon or 50 cents for cheese.
Yeah, right.
We've got all the sauces,
Oh,
barbie,
you do
tomato.
actually, you actually are being serious. Yeah, right.
And then we've got all waters and drinks in there.
So it's like a loaded burger, loaded sausage. Or...
That's it. And then we're going to do $5 for just a standard sausage, onion, sauce, and you get a can of Coke. Or a drink, can of drink. Or
nice.
bottled water.
So you're going to always have food at most of the events for the Tank 300?
Got to feed the family. So
there you go.
That's the thing with my late father taught me. Always feed the family because they're the ones that you care about. So yeah, big day so far. Bit overwhelmed about the numbers, but excited about the numbers.
So this is the second event that has been held by, this is the most official one.
This is the most official because we are now officially incorporated by Fair Trade in Queensland, so we're full legit.
Insured?
Too soon.
Okay.
In about 3 weeks we'll be fully insured club. So I've just got to...
All work in progress.
That's
it. Lot of hard work.
A lot of hard work.
A lot of effort.
But,
Mitch has done a great job.
Couldn't have done it without the support of the Savage Tech.
Oh,
full drive
we do nothing,
detail,
mate. We're just here for
Carbon
the fun.
Offroad, they all help.
Everyone's helping.
It's been great how the commercial businesses of the off-road scene have just came on and got behind the GWM tanks. Plus the Cannons, it's great to see. You know, they're such a great car.
We've got two Cannons here today. We've got an XSR and we've got a Cannon base model over there, decked out in Savage gear. And we've got a hell of a lot of Tank 300s. How many did you count?
26, I believe. 26
Tank 300s we've got, which is unbelievable. There's every single colour you can get.
I think it has to be Australia's first.
Australia's first, I reckon. Tank 300s, two Tank 500s. Got mine in the white, pearl white. Looks sexy over there.
That's Granddad's car.
Granddad? No, mine's blacked out. Mine's gangster.
That's right. Rico didn't bring his.
Rico didn't bring his He brought his Granddad Tank 300, his little baby cute one. Anyway, so we're going to have a fun time and hope everyone's having fun. Look at him, everyone's chilling, getting their suntans on.
Living it up.
Look at that. Anyway, everyone's having fun. So if you are in Queensland or you want to drive from Sydney and we're having the next event, watch the Facebook pages and like and subscribe and come down and join us and have some fun. There'll be beach events. There'll be full drive events, there'll be social days, there'll be all sorts of events. Overnighters. If your wife will let you out of the house, come down, feel free. Just tell her you're going to, going to work. Come down, bring your full drive and come full driving with us. Peace out, have a good one. Hello again.
G'day, g'day.
So we're all finished up with the GWM Tank Four-Wheel Drive Club of Queensland.
Big day here at Bribie Island. Blew my mind away. We've got 26 tanks to rock up today, so big step up from the last trip we did of 9 tanks. So beautiful day, good old Queensland sunny weather again. So looking forward to the next event. Not at this stage, not quite sure, but in the process of getting the club set up as quick as possible. Hopefully by July we'll have our website live and be able to start memberships for all our tank lovers. But yeah, so big thanks to Savage Offroad, always getting behind us and supporting us, coming out with their cars today, Rico and Byron, and
mate, it's awesome just getting out here with everyone. It's awesome. There's so many questions, so many newbies have never been here, and everyone was so excited to be here. And there was some newbies that had never been off road.
No, we had a couple. We had about probably 5.
Not one person got stuck.
No one got bogged.
No one had any questions.
No one got bogged. It was great to actually see what these tanks have done to the four-wheel drive community, where in the past, a lot of probably Australians had no chance of probably getting into this environment.
A brand new,
especially with the twin locks, the leather seats, everything that they come with, and now you can buy one for $51,000 and pretty much go across Australia, no dramas whatsoever, and have fun on the weekend. This is right on our back
doorstep. Yeah.
So yeah, if you're keen, come along. We do visitors trips. We're more than happy to chuck you into one of the tanks just so you can get an idea what it's off road. Couldn't vouch for a better four-wheel drive so far.
So I think what Mitch is summing up there is literally if you're looking for a 4x4 and you're on the GWM tank page and you want to happen to try and come and have maybe a look at a tank 300 or a 500, yep. And there's a lot down here, we're happy enough to reach out to this page here on the Facebook page, and they were happy enough to come here, have a look at the cars, might even go for a test drive, show you what they're like, and so that way you get a real feeling for the vehicle off-road, rather than just driving in the city. Because a lot of people are buying these to go, from A to B, but on the weekends they want to do things like this. Come out to Bribie, go to Double Island, Fraser, do all the fun stuff.
West.
There you go.
Support the communities out west. They always need extra funds into their community. So yeah, these things can pretty much take you anywhere. So get onto them, have a look at them. They're great cars. Can't recommend them anymore. But let's tank.
Let's tank. Peace out. Have a good one. Savage Tech Australia. Like and subscribe. Woo!